Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice machine that's here in our fabricating showroom. Just came in as a 200-ton, 12-foot American-made standard. It's a great machine, really heavy duty. They've been known in the industry for doing heavy duty dump trucks, trash cans, barrels, you name it. They're known for beefy stuff, and they're in the USA. This particular one has a sideways cylinder, which is gonna push your hydraulics that way. It uses a lot of different mechanisms to bring down exact pressure all the way through the bed. It's a really nice system. Has a light curtain system in here where you got your safety light curtains. Simple machine. We'll show you the basics of this machine. You're gonna be able to put your press brake dies in manually, tighten them in, top and bottom. It has a nice die rail. You've got your supports here. Here's your laser curtain where you're gonna go ahead and reset depending on if you have anything hit the beam. This particular machine has a really easy to use back gauge as a go-to back gauge touchscreen system. This is made, here you go, there's the standard logo. We can do a few different things. You can either manually move your back gauge in and out. We'll go ahead and do that. You can see the back gauge moving. Really simple. Most operators love simple. We can move it in slow and dial it down to right where we need. If that's not gonna work, we can go ahead and hit that, hit go to, get our position that we want. And hit go to. Now you can see the back gauge will move to that 24-inch mark. Again, really simple, easy to use machine. Now that we have our position right at the exact 24 inches, we know that we're gonna be able to put our material in, hit that 24-inch marker, and you're gonna be set. You don't have to do any measuring, which is really nice. Again, really quick and easy. You have your dual palm control here, dual finger control. You can see we have a quick approach, a slow form, and a quick retract. Quick approach, slow forming, quick retraction. Really nice, quiet machine. We love these press brakes. That would be in your normal cycle. If we want to go ahead and run it into inch, if you're going to be doing your setup, we'll move that to inch. And now you can inch down, make sure that all your tooling's in the right area, your curtains are set up for your job, and you'll be ready to go. I want to show you when I was talking about the 3 speeds of the ram. These 3 rods are what control your 3 speeds of your ram. So as soon as it hits each limit, that's when it's going to know to go to the next succession of either forming, retracting, whatever it is. This is where you're going to set each part. So you saw it came down about 5 inches quickly. There's your 5 inches. You got your slow forming, which is a small area, and then it shoots right back up to the top. To change these, you just hit your Allens, move them up and down, and again, it's really easy to set up. Once you have your inching down, you'll get your tooling right on, tighten that down, and you're ready to go. Nice little pressure gauge right there in the front. We'll just take a walk around the machine. You've got an oiler right here. Clean back gauge. So our axis is going to be manual. You'll crank that to go up and down. You've got your fingers right there. Take a look at this back gauge. Just the bolts and the Allen wrench, how heavy this thing is for this machine. It's a really nice machine. Again, all the way around, there's our tag. You can see our throat right here. So great running machine. Here's your leveling mechanism. You can do punching, press braking. Let us know what you're looking for. We have a lot of other machines here. I don't know if you've seen, but here's a nice Cincinnati that's on its way out. This is actually a fully reconditioned here at Sterling. We have a really nice Cincinnati. This is all original paint, just 150 hours or so of use, so we get some great machines. Which reminds me, if you guys have a machine for sale, let us know. We'd love to buy what you have for sale. Buy, sell, or trade is what's kept us in business since 1954, and we love to work with you. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website for some great financing options. Call us and let you know what you need. Go to sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.